copy and paste to increase my productivity.
Keep up the good business, Neil John.
I will.
Neil Jonathan. Johnson.
Yeah?
May I have a word?
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, we don't really need you here.
What?
Well, not like right now, but forever.
What?
I have no hands. I have no hands.
How is this?
I don't know. I'll just let you think that over. You know, you can.
My
pack
business.
Up your papers, your office.
My productivity is.
Well, if you could keep up the good business like Neil John, we wouldn't have had to have automation.
But I can.
No hands. No hands.
How could you? Hello?
Hey honey, it's me.
I had a pretty rough day. Got fired.
Oh, can you not even hold down a job? Ugh, such an idiot. I'm leaving you.
But, honey, don't say that. Honey. Whoa! What? What?
Mr. Johnson?
Oh, yeah?
The bank called again, and they've run out of room for your money, and you're going to need to go to another one again. And the band Drang Force wants you to give their guitarists some lessons on improving their solos and all that. You have to do that next Tuesday after you've been inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Dallas Cowboys want you to coach them for next season too.
Is that all?
And how about dinner tonight?
I did it!